Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lays foundation for William Nagar Urban Water Supply Project, Phase 1 of Amrit 2.0. Motorcycle rally to celebrate 75 years of Indian independence, flagged off from BSF headquarters, Shillong. Centre releases Rs 272 crore for clearing pending dues of SSA teachers, informs Education Minister. And Katinrai Jong Kalongrinyeng held in memory of unsung heroes of Meghalaya. And now for the news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today laid the foundation for the William Nagar Urban Water Supply Project under Phase 1 of Amrit 2.0 in the presence of Shri Kaushal Kishore, Union Minister of State, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, and PHE Minister Renington Lingdo Tongkhar. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister said that the government has sanctioned Rs 121 crores and the project will cover 7,229 households in Phase 1. Yesterday, he launched the flagship program Rural Backyard Piggery Scheme under National Livestock Mission for the benefit of farmers at Birnihat in Riphoi. Speaking on the occasion, Sangma said that the state, through Progress Scheme, envisions to tap opportunities by ensuring that the farmers earn sustainable livelihood through different livestock farming activities. During the launching of the scheme, 4 piglets were distributed to farmers to promote pig breeding to provide regular income to farmers.
NDA government has done its best to reach out to different farmers, producer groups and different families in the rural areas. Be it our milk mission of 209 crores, be it through the piggery mission of 214 crores, be it through different self-help group programs where 4.5 lakh women today are engaged in this program, and close to 320 crores have been dispersed to different self-help groups.
Education Minister Lakmen Rumboy said that the department is awaiting the response of the National Testing Agency on to the issue related to some students from the state having to appear the CUET exam in other states despite opting for centres in Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters, Rumboy said that the matter was brought to his notice by leaders of the Khasi Students' Union, that there were some students who, in spite of opting Shillong and Meghalaya as the centres, got admit cards indicating that their admission examination centre will be in Guwahati, while some got to their centre in Aizawl. Rumboy said that the Education Department had immediately communicated to the National Testing Agency that around 10 students from the state are facing this problem. According to him, CUET in Meghalaya is held in centres located in Shillong, Riphoi and Tura.
To NTA, communication is on, and in the afternoon I got the list of those candidates. I forward to the commission. Commission is communicating with the NTA, but as of now, as I speak, I have not got any response. What is the response of the NTA? So let's hope that the NTA will be able to allow the student, if there is any seats available in the state, in our state.
To mark the 75th anniversary of India's Independence Day, BSF is conducting a motorcycle rally school outreach program as a run-up to Teachers' Day and various cultural programs from July to December 2022. As part of the program, a motorcycle rally was flagged off today by Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, IPS, DGP Meghalaya Police from BSF Camp Mopat, Shillong. It will cover 7 states of Meghalaya, Assam, West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh and will terminate in Delhi on 16th September 2022. A total of 30 motorcyclists, 15 each from BSF men and women motorcycle teams, BSF Janbaz and BSF Seema Bhavani respectively, are participating in the rally. Addressing the gathering, Bishnoi reiterated that the motorcycle rally is celebrating 75 years of progress, India and the glorious history of its people, culture and achievements. He also emphasized that the rally will spread a message of national integration and patriotism among countrymen. Education Minister Lak Menrumboy has informed that the centre has recently released rupees 272 crore for clearing pending dues to SSA teachers. Speaking to reporters, Rumboy said that the fund will be transferred this week, and once the government gets the fund, they will be in a comfortable position to clear all the pending dues.
The government of India has sanctioned the amount of about 272 crore to the state government for 10 days back. But I hope that the money, the fund will be transferred this week itself. Then only we will able.
Celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and under the aegis of the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, Katinrai Jonkalongrinyeng, or the Roots of Identity in memory of the unsung heroes of the state, Shillong Law College, in collaboration with the Positive Energy Art Foundation, jointly organized a national seminar and national art workshop in the state from today to 3rd September 2022 at Sosotham Auditorium. Speaking on the occasion, Commissioner and Secretary Arts and Culture F.R. Kharkongor said the theme Katinrai Jonkalongrinyeng, which talks about the roots of identity, is something which is very relevant not only 75 years but for all time to come, because we need to remember how this freedom was brought about. He appreciated the Government of India and the Ministry of Culture for putting a spotlight on the unsung heroes like Tirot Singh's Aim, Kyang Nangba and Patogon Sangma, who fought against the British with just bow and arrows.
Katinrai Jonkalongrinyeng, which talks about the roots of identity, I think is something which is very relevant, not only for 75 years but for all time to come. I would like to appreciate the Government of India and the Ministry of Culture for putting a spotlight on the unsung heroes, on the leaders such as Tirot Singh and Kyang Nongba and Patogan Sangma, who in a sense are the precursors to the Indian national movement.
Attack by paddy blue beetle has been reported from field under Madan Reuble paddy field, Madan Mirhoy, and in the area of Langpi, West Khasi Hills district. These paddy blue beetle has attacked on the standing paddy crops, which has triggered concerns among farmers who have cultivated in large area of paddy fields. On receiving a complaint from the farmers, the members of Hills Farmers Union has conducted spot visits and found out that the reality that the pest has attacked on standing paddy crops. The union also informed that the pest control measures have been initiated by the office in the affected areas and urged upon the farmers to immediately collect the selective pesticides from the office. The Agnivir recruitment rally for state of Meghalaya will be held at Happy Valley, Shillong from 13 September to 25 September 2022. Registration for the same for the states of Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh and 13 districts of Upper and Central Assam has been completed on 3rd August 2022. The response has been overwhelming, with over 68,000 candidates registering for the 6 rallies. Registration for candidates of Women Agnivir for Corps of Military Police for all 7 states of Northeast is open since 9th August 2022 till 7th September 2022. All interested candidates are advised to register themselves before the closing dates and to acquaint themselves with contents of the notification. Rally schedule and procedures for all rallies has been updated on www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 25.6 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 18.3 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 79% and in the evening 71%, rainfall nil. Forecast moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DT News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lays foundation for William Nagar Urban Water Supply Project Phase 1 of Amrit 2.0. Motorcycle rally to celebrate 75 years of Indian independence flagged off from BSF headquarters Shillong. Centre releases rupees 272 crore for clearing pending dues of SSA teachers, informs Education Minister. And Katinrai Jongkalongrinyeng held in memory of unsung heroes of Meghalaya. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.